Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with another awesome t-shirt. That's right, with another awesome t-shirt. You thought I was going to say something else, didn't you? Hey, I want to show you this awesome t-shirt I just got from in the mail from Amazon. If you would like one like this one, click the link below. It'll be, I'll actually put the Amazon link, or I might actually put a pressurewashingtraining.com/washlife, and that will take you there. Actually, I'm gonna put t-shirt, and that will take you to this t-shirt where you can buy this t-shirt. I think it's like 22 bucks. But if you want it in a different color, put it down in the comments below, and I can try to get it on a different color for you. But just wanted to show you this pretty cool shirt right here I got. They're pretty comfortable. They are a little snug, so if you're one size or the other, you might want to bump up a size. But my wife said it made my back look amazing. I don't know about that, but put something on snug on me, it might make me look amazing. I don't know. That's all that matters to me, is that what she thinks. But anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. You can help go get one at the Amazon there. It's 2-day Prime. It comes in 3 days and you'll have it. It's a pretty cool shirt, and just thought I'd let you know that. And if you want to watch the Wash Life video down below, I'll put it here also at the end of the video. But have a great day, and hopefully you'll be successful. If you need any help with or any questions, please comment below or come to my website. I'm going to have some things coming on there that you can ask questions through that also. Hope you have a great day, and thank you.